Hey guys, Tony Lesesne Show on the scene. Love art, so I gotta give some props to the one behind me. Well, I want to thank all of you guys for responding to my Facebook show with questions about your take on the slap heard around the world, and we've had time to process it. We've got more facts. You expressed your opinion, and I appreciate it. And so today in this episode, I'm really going to focus on one or two questions and my take on what I heard from you guys, which was great feedback. To me, first and foremost, you always have to look at security. Security. When you're on location like this, you're going to hear a lot of sounds, so disregard it. But when I talk about security, nobody should be allowed on any stage. Not Kanye West saying, let you finish. Not Will Smith. It's a security breach. It's not Will Packard's fault or the Oscars. It's the security team. And we can make a lot of excuses to say Will Smith could have, because he was known, was able to get to the stage. No one should get to the stage. Remember John Wilkes Booth. The second thing I would like to say is to consider, if it wasn't, let's just pretend it was Chris Rock, take him out, and it was really The Rock making that joke. Would Will Smith have reacted the same? Question of the day, Tony Lesesne Show, Tony on the Scene. Hey guys, and also thanks for following us on all the social media, YouTube, InFocus TV, and more. I can't wait to hear from you. Later.